children can so that depends on their intelligence. And concept development lays foundation for intellectual development. So from this we can understand the concept formation depends on the intelligence, as well as the intellectual development depends on the concept, number of concepts one has. So both are helping each other. If the child has more intellectual abilities, then they can create or form more and more concepts within a shorter period. Then there are three phases of concept formation. First one is the process. Concept formation process has to pass three phases. First, perception. Perceiving things means through our sensory organs. So whatever we see from the environment, what we hear, what we feel, what we taste. So through our sensory organs, the impulses that are derived or received from the environment are called as sensations. So these sensations will be carried down to the brain, and with the past experience, we will make some meaning out of the sensation of the immediate environment. So that is called as perception. The sensation plus our past experience work together and we can make some sense out of it is called as perception. This is the first phase of concept formation. And the second phase is abstraction. Abstraction means the process of analyzing the similarities of the received images. Not only one image, there are number of images, number of information poured into our brain through our sensory organs forever. So the brain will try to identify some similarities of some of the images or some of the objects, persons, events, and try to group them. So similarities of perceiving images synthesize the commonness. The commonness is synthesized. So commonness is synthesis and neglecting the specific detail. So these are the two main things in abstractions. Only synthesis the commonness, common features, common characteristics, common properties will be taken into consideration, but some specific details will be left out. They will not be taken into consideration. And this is called, this type of grouping is called as abstractions. And the final one is generalization. In generalization, you can see after several abstractions process, the child or the person is come across a lot of abstractions again and again. Then the child is able to generalize the common properties of some objects and events. After interacting with the same or similar events, objects, and persons several times only, they will come to a conclusion and form a concept that is called as concept formation. So generalization is known as concept formation. Or in the earlier slide we have seen. Here you can see this is the generalization is called as concept.